Hey, this is Joel coming to you from the warehouse today, where I'm doing a little bit of truck maintenance, trying to make sure this thing continues to run just as it ought to for many years to come. I like to do all my own work on my trucks as much as I can, but if you've ever worked on a full-size truck, you know it can be a back-breaking experience leaning up over the engine bay, especially if what you're working on is way back in the back. So I went out and looked for a solution to this problem and found one in the Traxion Topside Creeper. Now, I have to admit, a couple months ago, I didn't even know this existed, but it has been amazing since I started using it around the garage on all my truck maintenance. I have several different vehicles I look after, and this thing has been amazing. So let me just quickly show you what it is and how it works and why I think it could make your experience working in your own garage so much better. So let's take a look at it. Wait right here. All right, so here it is. This is the Traxion Topside Creeper, and you'll kind of see very quickly what it is. It is essentially like a creeper that would go underneath your vehicle, but it's for the top side of your engine bay. So these long legs down here are on nice smooth casters. We have kind of pivot wheels on both sides, all four corners, so it spins in lots of different directions, but it's cantilevered out so that you can put it underneath your truck, and you can adjust this, let's call it a step ladder, by these sections here on the side. You can adjust it to the height of your vehicle. I've got mine down, you really want it as low as you can get it for your vehicle, so I've got mine down here. And once you get it to the right spot, push it in further if you're going all the way back or maybe not as far. But it's very simple. We've got some wheel locks on the back. We simply lock these wheels down, and then I'm allowed to, or enabled to, climb up on the ladder, lean over, and I've got this nice padded section here that I can lean on and work on my truck for hours in comfort. There's no discomfort in this. If you get it set correctly, it really is comfortable. And it's got a nice little pouch right here where you can keep your tools. So I've got my socket set here already correctly sized for what I'm working on. I can grab it, I can do my work, and I can be here for a little while very comfortably, much more comfortably than I would be if I was leaning over it. You can really kind of just set your position and put all your weight on the front. It really does take a lot of the pressure off of your lower back, and it allows you to work in comfort with everything you need. Get up and down really easily, go back to get more tools, or just stick them in this little pouch here. And then when you're done, you simply unlock your wheels, roll it out, and it just sets up along the wall. In fact, these bottom legs fold up so you can fold it flat against the wall. So there's lots of adjustment in this Topside Creeper. Now, not only can you adjust the height of just the steps and the platform, but you can also adjust the angle. If you want to be angled a little more down, we've kind of got it in that position right now. There are arms right here that you can use in 3 different settings. So this is pretty much completely flat. Then this would be right in the middle, kind of downward angled. And then the one I like, all the way forward for my truck, just allows me to lean deep into that engine bay and go forward. So you've got tilt and angle this way, but you've also got height up and down. You've got foldable legs, and everything is super high quality. I've got several Traxion products in this garage. They're creepers, they're roller seats, their tool trays, things like that. It falls right in line with all of those things. Really high quality, made of durable materials. It doesn't look like it's gonna rust and corrode. It's got this nice powder coated finish on it. Looks like it will last for a long time. These casters on the bottom, they're super smooth. You can roll this around your garage without any issue. And like I said, because you have 4 360-degree swivel wheels on these, you don't have to worry about having trouble maneuvering in a small spot. You can get this around to where you need to go and position it properly for your truck. I mean, it's just kind of an ingenious little piece of engineering here for automotive tech, and I have really enjoyed having one in the truck, around the truck this summer in the garage. So if you're in the market for something that's going to make your experience working on your truck your vehicle much easier, then check out the Topside Creeper from Traxion. I've really enjoyed mine. It's comfortable, it's well built, seems really safe, portable, and storable. So again, Topside Creeper from Traxion, check it out for yourself. I really think you're gonna like this one.